Allegations that have come to light recently have created a cause for concern. That's from the Civil Service Commission, which has since sought the advice of the Guam Bar Association over attorney Vanessa Williams and her alleged involvement with Bernadette Meno, the former port marketing manager who was terminated along with several other employees in December 2012. All are accused of being involved in an alleged conspiracy to defraud the government and cover it up. All the fired employees had filed an appeal with the CSC.
We're very concerned because it is always our hope that when we come before the Commission that we are going to be given a fair and equal opportunity to present our cases.
Port General Manager Joanne Brown says she was surprised over the alleged connection both Williams and Meno may have. It was over the weekend when Dededo Precinct official Catherine Pareto withdrew her complaint that alleged she saw an ice cooler filled with pre-marked ballots. In a disclosure notice, Pareto said she did not prepare the affidavit, but rather Meno did. Meno, however, responded that she was in a meeting with two other people when Pareto made the allegations. They were Robert Kelly and attorney Williams. Kelly also issued a comment stating both Meno and Williams asked Pareto questions and took notes.
We're not saying you can't support a gubernatorial campaign or senatorial campaign. I mean, that's everyone's free right to do that. What you can't do is sit on the commission, the Civil Service Commission, and provide legal advice on cases that are involving people that you actually have, or may appear at this point, it appears that she has relationships and involvements with. I've been in politics for 30 years. You don't get into the inner sanctum of a campaign overnight.
In a letter to the Guam Bar Association signed by all 7 commissioners, the CSC requests for a review of the matter and clarification of any steps they should take. In the letter, the CSC does state they do not have any knowledge relating to the truth of the allegations of involvement between Williams and Meno, but also note that, quote, the CSC is serious about maintaining its integrity and avoiding conflicts of interest, end quote. Brown tells KUAM she believes the matter needs to be looked into further.
And it just should never have been. If that was the case, you know, if Attorney Williams, probably more than anyone else in the room, was aware of her relationships, I mean, that is something she should have disclosed or stepped down and not taken on these cases, because now for us, it's really tainted this process and puts a big question mark in our mind as to whether or not we had a fair and equal opportunity before the commission, and it just appears inappropriate and improper. And like I said, we're very disturbed by all of this.
Williams, in the meantime, released a statement saying she did not advise Pareto or Meno, nor did she draft the affidavit. She further states she has neither a personal nor professional relationship with either Meno or Bob Kelly. She does acknowledge that she was present at the Gutierrez Gumatauto headquarters and was requested to provide legal representations. However, she respectfully declined. She goes on to say, quote, I have duties and responsibilities under the rules of professional conduct, which I take very seriously in the representation of my clients, end quote. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.